Hey everyone, Brandon here. This is my wife Alexi, and today we're going to unbox the Owlet Dream Sock and go over a couple features, or pretty much all the features that the Dream Sock has to offer. Now, if you haven't checked out the Owlet Cam 2 video, definitely check this out, or just the Owlet Cam in general. These two should be paired, but if you don't plan on buying both of them, the Owlet Cam is the one I would go with in general. But if you're planning on maybe getting the Cam and then going with the Dream Sock later on, then these two would eventually be paired together. Now with the Owlet Dream Sock, it measures heart rate, blood oxygen level, the movement of your baby, and how well their sleep is through the night. So it'll tell you if your baby is still or if there is movement going on. It'll tell you how many times they woke up during their sleep, and it's just a good monitor altogether. Now with the Dream Sock, you also get a 2-sock pack right here. The limited edition is just the pattern for this one, which I think is Playground.
I think it's Playtime.
Playtime. So it could be a different sock fabric than before.
See it on the inside too. It shows you the pattern.
And they have a little window that you can check out the pattern, but we will take these out. And it has size 1, which is under 12 pounds, and then size 2, which is between 12 and 30 pounds. And we might as well check them out right now before we get into the main pack. And here are the socks. Now you do get 2 socks, but 2 pair of each size, but only 1 foot gets the monitor. So you get to choose if you want the right or the left side for the monitor. And this is the smaller size, and this is the bigger size. This is the Playtime or Playground or whatever type of pattern that they have. It looks pretty cool. It has some, looks like raindrops and
little moon stars.
Little moon stars and all kinds of.
Kind of looks like a bath time kind of thing.
Maybe bubbles.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but all kinds of different little fun patterns on there. The one thing I don't like is that it's white, because white is probably going to get really dirty fast if things happen from the down below. So let's go ahead, unbox the Dream Sock. Now the Dream Sock has a, I believe it's a wireless charging kind of way. There's no cable. It's just, it charges on this little pad right here. So that's pretty cool. And luckily we have USB Type-C. Some reason we have USB Type-C for this, but the newer Cam has a micro USB, which makes no sense at all. Just pay the 15 cents to manufacture it. Like I always say, it costs about 15 cents to upgrade from micro USB to USB Type-C.
USB-C is a lot more universal too, just because you don't have to have the cord flipped one way or another.
Exactly.
And that's just annoying.
So this is your charging pad. It does seem like it has some type of button on it. I'm not sure exactly what that's for, but maybe it has something to deal with pairing your device through Wi-Fi. There is a little indicator for Wi-Fi, and then a little indicator for sock. And then you have a tiny QR code. I don't think you're ever going to be able to scan that with your phone, even if I try. I don't think that's even possible, but you know, it's worth a try anyways. And then of course they give you a little cute molded foot here, which is pretty cool. And there is the Dream Sock sensor that's gonna measure the heart rate and the O2 and the movement, so that's pretty cool. I actually thought the sensor would be bigger, but it's actually relatively small. And then everything is obviously through Velcro, and voila. So there you go. It even has some directions for behind the pinky toe, and you have your two sensors right there. So pretty awesome what the new tech there is. I'm wondering how well the waterproofing is for these socks in case, you know, accidents do happen. But time will tell with that feature. So for charging, you would just pretty much put on like that, and it's magnetic. So that's a pretty awesome feature there. Everything else in the box is most likely just instructions. Another sock. This is probably a bigger sock. Fits babies up to 30 pounds. So I'm gonna say this is size 1, and this in the box is size 2.
Looks like it comes with the other side too. So whichever one this would be the what? Right foot? No, it's the right foot. So, or no, sorry,
no,
that's the left foot. It looks like they have the right foot in here as well as both of the two size 2s. So you get 2 full pairs of socks.
Yep, exactly. And then we have another box, which is probably going to have a generic charging block, which very generic, no branding at all. And that's pretty much all it is. It is a pretty massive brick, I must say. Usually you don't see them this big unless they're like fast chargers, and I don't think this is fast charging at all. But I do like the feature that it has the USB type A on the side and not at the top, so that is pretty awesome. And then they just give you another USB type C cable for your charging in general. So other than that, the price of the Owlet Dream sock, I believe, is $2.99, and then the camera is gonna cost you $3.99, I believe.
The camera itself was actually on sale on Amazon. It was originally priced at about $159, but I got it for $130.
Okay, so the Owlet Cam is actually cheaper than the Dream sock. And I'm assuming that's just because of how competitive the baby monitoring section is compared to the Dream sock, which I highly doubt there's anything like it on the market. There might be 1 or 2 competitors, but there's not much at all for this. So anyways, we'll do videos later on of, you know, how we like the Dream sock and the Owlet Cam. And that'll be a later video because obviously he's not here yet. but anyways, so the Owlet Cam, I'll leave a link in the description for that. Make sure you check out that video too. I did an unboxing on it as well. Went over some of the features, and if you want to look into the Owlet Dream sock, I will also have a link in the description below. Other than that, if you like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.